Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So to do public profile, allow you to post on Spotlight and let people find your profile even if they are not your friend. So if you want to make a public profile, first make sure you have your app updated and then head over to Snapchat app. Once you are on the Snapchat app, click on your profile picture in the top left corner, and then normally if you just scroll down a little bit here, you will be able to find create a public profile. So being the public profile section, it says create public profile. However, if you do not see this option right here, I will show you how to find it. So scroll down all the way up and click on the settings icon. On the top right corner here, scroll down to privacy. So scroll down until you can see privacy controls. Once you find it, here will be a couple options that you will all want to change. First, click on my story and make sure that it's turned to everyone. Next, click on contact me and make sure it's turned to everyone. Next, click on quick add and show me in quick add, and just go through all those, any of them that have privacy. Just make sure that it's turned to everyone and that's not friends or only me. So once you go through and do all the, then if you go back to your public profile option, then you should be able to find it around here. If the option is still not showing up, your account may be underage and you have to have a 18 or older account to do this option. To fix that, you will have to make a separate account for your public profile. So once you have option here, just click on create public profile. Once you click on that, this option will come up here and it will say show your name, and you can just read through all this right here real quick. But you can just read through it real quick and then click on the get started. Once you click on that, click on create, and once you click on create, it will make your profile public. So just wait a little bit and there you go, you have a public profile now. To edit your public profile, to do that you want to click on your public profile. So you see your public profile right here, just click on it now, bring you to this page right here. You can add a cover photo by clicking on the button in the top right corner, and then you will able to add photos if you want, and then you can edit your profile as well. So you can add a PFP or you can add a bio, things like that. So you can also preview your profile by clicking on the preview option. So this is the way how you can make a public profile on Snapchat. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.